Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the garage. So this video actually doesn't take place in the garage. This video takes place this past weekend at Cecil County Dragway. I was on my way home from the hunting camp. We had a little event going on and decided to swing by the drag strip. Dirty Max Jack had invited me. He's one of the YouTubers who was putting this event on because, well, you'll see later in the video. He's got a little connection to our race truck. If you guys, I think I mentioned it in a previous video, but anyway, it was a very good time. I think they're going to try and do it again at some point. It was a good time, good to see a lot of people out there. I completely forgot to record an intro or an outro to the video between coming back from the hunting camp, and as soon as I got out of the truck, I saw a couple diesel trucks that really piqued my interest. Oh, lightning bug right in the frame there. So a couple diesel trucks that really, I was inquisitive about. So I checked those out, talked to the guys there. Actually, a couple local boys, 717 diesel addicts, with some pretty cool stuff. One was a Duramax and one was a Power Stroke. The Duramax was getting into the 10s, actually a very low 10, almost a 9, and the Power Stroke actually got into the 9. So we definitely need to step our game up, which we know we are. And it was also good to see NRE Performance was there. Nick was there with his truck. I've been watching that truck down there at that track for years. But anyway, guys, when they have this event again, I definitely encourage you to go. You can bring your own vehicle and run it. Check out some of the guys you do watch on the platform and see what they have to offer. But it was just a good time, as well as getting to see a couple diesel trucks from the area. I got talking to a few of you guys, which is always a good time. And actually, that's kind of why I forgot to do the intro as well, is because just get talking to people. And when we're talking about diesel trucks, I can talk for hours. I can talk to these guys, you guys, all day. So anyway, guys, that's going to be what this video is about. Enjoy. Like I said, I mostly focused on the diesel stuff. There was a lot of LS stuff there because Complete Street Performance and RPM Motorsports were also there at the event. So there was a lot of LS stuff, some no time stuff. But anyway, enjoy the footage. truck went 9.2 today, as fast as this truck's ever been. I remember watching this thing down here for years. This thing is fucking awesome. I remember seeing this truck when it was running 10-second passes with a stock engine, all that. I believe it's got a black 6.4 engine in it and triple turbos. I was not able to get over here before they got it up on the trailer, but yeah, the thing looks nasty. And it runs nasty too.
I've seen this before.
So this is 30 Mac Jack's LBZ, I want to say, or LLY. I don't really know the Duramaxes, but these wheels and tires look familiar. They are actually the drag radial setup for the race truck. So Jack's been borrowing my drag radials. He actually ran an 11.0 pass with this truck today. Stock head bolts, stock heads, stock block all together. It's just got a turbo, fuel system, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, that's a good looking truck. Definitely got him a little bit hooked to the whole drag racing scene. He loved running these things, and I think he's going to pick himself up a set. So yeah, another fellow diesel enthusiast. That's well, enthusiast is the name of his company, so it's just perfect. But another fellow diesel drag racer in the making. So guys, that was the Run What You Brung event at Cecil County Dragway. Big shout out to 30 Max Jack for inviting me. As you guys saw in the video, he was actually borrowing our drag radials, which we have back. He was very impressed. He's going to get himself a set so he can do this all the time. But I actually met him at Peach Bottom Auto Body when we were getting ready to do the roof of the truck. So we kind of hit it off. I told him, he said he wanted to get a set, and I said, hey, you can borrow mine, no problem. It's always good to support, you know, or help people out that are into the same things you are, especially us diesel guys. We kind of got to stick together a little more because there's so many. There's just less of us than the gas guys. That's all there is to it. So anyway, it was good to see a lot of like local trucks and stuff like that. I mostly focused on that because that's what I'm into. I mean, there was a lot of LS stuff there and whatnot. As you guys can see, we are moving along on the cage. We have some things to talk about with that. I may have made a little error, which is kind of put us in a... there's not much we can do right now. So we got to wait on some other tubing because we ran out of a certain size that we need. Anyway, I'm going to try and do a little update video on the cage later this week. Try and get back in the swing of doing some more regular videos. This once a week stuff, I know I don't like it. I know a lot of you guys don't like it, but we're going to be getting to where we're stuffing the engine in this thing and all that shortly. Still a ton of work to do. I don't even know where to start after the cage. It's going to be a process, that's for sure, but I'm going to start trying to bring you guys back into the fold and show you exactly what we're doing. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Get out in your garage. Man, I haven't done this in so long, I can't even remember how I usually end a video. Anyway, guys, get out in your garage. Get the wrenching on your truck.